everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I'm going to be baking up some good old-fashioned sugar cookies. This one was requested. This is one I like to use. I used it for years and it's basically the one I've always stuck to. But I wanted to go ahead and get this done and share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and jump in. They're simple, they're quick, and they're easy. The only thing that kind of take some time is you do want to chill your dough because you don't want your cookies spreading out real thin. So we'll chill our dough maybe a half hour or so. Okay, but anyway, here I have some soft butter, room temperature, 1 cup, and that's at room temperature. And here I have 1 1/4 cups of sugar. That's 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar. Now you can get your mixer out, your beater, whatever you wish. I'm just going to use my whisk here, and I'm going to whisk this up for maybe a minute, just till it's nice and creamy. Alrighty, got that all creamed up. It's nice and creamy, light and fluffy. Now to that, I'm going to add in 3 egg yolks, just the yolks. This lends a good chewiness to the cookie. And I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/2 teaspoon of orange extract. Now those two combined would give you that nice old-fashioned flavor cookie. So I highly suggest not skipping out on the orange. You don't taste full-on orange in the cookie. It just lends a good flavor to that cookie. And we'll get this mixed up. And always remember, when you're making cookie dough, don't overmix once we get the flour in here. Alright. Now we have this creamed up. Let me put this over here. Okay. I'll scrape that side down here in a minute with my, let me get that right now. Just make sure it's all mixed up. Those eggs. I want to make sure everything's nice and mixed. Okay. Now here, I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And here I have 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. That helps tenderize those cookies and soften them a little bit. Kind of keeps them longer. And we'll mix this up. And you'll be needing some sugar for rolling. But I'm just going to get this mixed up, and we're going to pour this into our wet, which is our butter here, and our sugar and egg. Okay. Now, we'll scoot this back over here. Stuff smells so good. You can never start, your cookie baking like next month I'll start with doing this, freezing my doughs, making all my cookie doughs up and freezing them for the holidays. And I'm just going to get this mixed up. Okay, just don't over mix it. Once it comes together, stop. Okay. Alrighty, I got it all mixed up. Didn't over mix it, just till it all came together. Now we're going to go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for a good half hour and let that butter kind of firm back up in it, okay? And about 15 minutes prior to that set of the half hour, go ahead and get your oven preheated to 350 and get you a baking sheet lined up with some parchment paper. Alright. Alright, I got my oven preheated while I was away. I let my dough chill for 15 minutes, about 20 minutes. And then I went ahead and started preheating that oven to 350. And meanwhile, I got my little cookie balls ready. I got 16. Just use your, like a 2 tablespoon scoop, ice cream scoop, cookie scoop. I have this one here. It's 2 tablespoons. And then I just rolled them in little balls. They're use little 2 tablespoon measurements. That's what I use. And mine usually bake. Ovens vary. They're going to vary. An indication of these cookies being done is when they start cracking on top. You don't want to over bake them. They're still going to be a little bit soft when you pull them out. Mine usually take about 13 minutes. So yours can take anywhere between 13 to 16 minutes. So just keep an eye on them. They don't brown. You're not looking for them to brown. And then I'm just going to roll those balls into some sugar. And we're going to get them. I got about probably 1/3 of a cup of sugar here. Now you can definitely do your colored sugars for the holidays. Like some orange maybe for Halloween. And of course red and green for Christmas. But I'm going to get these lined up a couple of inches apart. I'll bake these on a couple of baking sheets. And I'll let you know how long mine take. Okay? Okay guys, there's the cookies. Mine baked for 15 minutes. The first batch cooked for 16, the second 15. But you just got to keep an eye on them. They'll get a very light brown on the bottom. See there? And hardly any color. See there how good those look. And they're soft and they're chewy. And my fingers look purple. But there they are. And please don't chill your dough any longer than half hour, because then you'll have to adjust your cooking time because the dough is really cold. So you just want to keep it chilled for a half hour. I wanted to make sure I brought that up to y'all. But go ahead and give them a try. Let me know what y'all think. Until then, you guys stay safe. Try the cookies. If you like chewy, old-fashioned flavored sugar cookies, you'll love these ones. Until next time, we'll see you guys later, and stay safe, and God bless. Bye-bye. And please hit that subscribe button. It helps my channel, guys.